Okay, this is a video on how to start Craftsman and things what not to do. What you don't want to do is put your throttle all the way up when you start, because this thing will be really loud. Well, for mine, because it has a big hole in the muffler. Barely has no muffler at all. You want to get your key, put up full choke. Once it starts, put the choke down. Oh, gotta push the clutch in. Make sure I'm in neutral. Flip this up. Oh, it started. Alright. And put it down now.